Hi everyone, welcome to our last episode of the development of MicroHard, of Fabflix, and we're Team MicroHard. And for this update, we did the containerized version of Docker, and we also deployed on the Kubernetes cluster. We call it the K8s, and we also used JMeter to test its results to see its performance. And if you see over here, we see different configurations and they do have different throughput results. And we also attach a JMeter screenshot over here. And without further ado, let's start our demo. So first of all, I'm going to show you our console page. So we see we have a K8 admin. We also have a control panel and 4 different nodes. And if we also go into our Docker hub, you see this is on my Docker hub. We have Fabflix, and if we click into it, we have version 1, version 2, and version 3. And we'll be using version 3 as our demo because this is the latest version. And next, we're going to let Betty show us the demo for the K8s. Betty is yours. All right, first we're going to SSH into our K8s cluster. We're going to SS into the admin. And we're going to run kops get all to see the resources in our cluster. But before that, we're going to get the data from our S3 buckets. And now let's run the command. All right, so we have it. Great. And next, we're going to get the internal components. And we see we have a SQL, we have Fabflix, we have our containers. And we're going to use the ingress to get our address, our elastic load balancer address. And all right, so we do have our website. And we're going to just log into it. And we're going to perform a search on love. Oops. All right, we see a bunch of movie titles with love in it. And we're going to do our shopping cart. We're going to enter the payment information. All right, transaction successful. And we're going to verify our MySQL. All right, now we are. And the password should be my $6 password, I believe. Oh, we just passed it. Oh, we have it. All right, here we go. And we're going to run this command. Use MovieDB. And we're going to check if our newest transaction it's loaded. And we're going to enter today's date. And today, it is December 9th because we have the time zone difference. It's using the unified time. And that's it. So now I'm going to show you guys our JMeter test finally. So let's go into our terminal. I'm going to clear it. So I'm already in the JMeter file, and I'm going to bin and then to JMeter to open this up. And we see it. So next, I'm going to pull this one over here so we know what we're doing. So I'm going to open the file, which is located over here, Fabflix test.jmx. Let's open it. So you see, we have 10 threads, each one going into 1 second with infinite loop. And let's start running it. Let's run it. While it's running, let's look at the view result tree. Open view result tree. Result tree should be over here. Oh, view result tree. Okay, so right here. So we see if we go scroll automatically, you see none of it's false. Everything it's going through. All the requests are going through correctly. And also we're going to see open each item under test plan. So test plan. The file you wrote from the open each item under test plan, showcase your test plan, such as thread group, HTTP request default. Right here. So our test plan would include a thread group, HTTPS request, a default, logging request, search request, and also we have a CSV file for our testing. And now let's go into view result tree. You see it's been going through everything. It's been passing through. All the requests have been received. And let's click graph result to show our test. Graph result right here. So we see we're taking about how much is that? 10,000 requests per minute. And this is our graph. And I think that's all for our demo. Thank you so much. This is our last episode.